Spider flower is a flowering plant native to South America. It is widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in temperate regions, and numerous cultivars with various colored flowers such as white, pink, and purple have been selected. This plant is beloved for its tall and slender appearance and leaves. Under its flower petals, it is featured with long and slender leaves like spiders' long feet, so it is called the spider flower. The special feature of the spider flower is that it is a night blooming flower, opening at dusk and closing at dawn during the following day. It is an ephemera, like short and brilliant love, that leaves a sense of fickleness with ups and downs drifting away.